Now, as a result of the suspension showdown in Parliament, Congress MP Shashi Tharoor, after Shiv Sena MP Priyanka Chaturvedi has suspended hosting duties. He was hosting a show on Sansad TV and as a mark of protest has said that he will not be hosting for the moment. This is to protest against the suspension of 12 Rajya Sabha MPs. Tharoor said that Sansad TV has been instrumental in startling voices of the opposition. Yesterday, you had Shiv Sena MP Priyanka Chaturvedi making a similar announcement. She'd quit as an anchor on Sansad TV after the Parliament suspension showdown. Priyanka had submitted her resignation as anchor on Sansad TV show Meri Kahani to the Rajya Sabha chair Venkaiah Naidu. Remember that she was one of the leaders who was suspended from the rest of the winter session. Shashi Tharoor, as a form of protest now, has said that he's suspending hosting duties for the moment. Shashi Tharoor, like Priyanka Chaturvedi, has been a host of a show on Sansad TV. Priyanka Chaturvedi had yesterday resigned, and in her letter she said that she stepped down and decided to discontinue being an anchor after her voice was stifled. Priyanka said her suspension was in disregard to parliamentary norms and she won't anchor when her oath to the Constitution was denied. Supriya Bharadwaj is joining us with more details on this. Supriya, this is quickly becoming a form of protest of sorts for the opposition after Priyanka Chaturvedi, Congress MP Shashi Tharoor has taken to Twitter to say that for the moment he's suspending his hosting duties. He will not be anchoring his show on Sansad TV.
Well, as far as the opposition is concerned, they are still adamant that they will not be apologizing to the government, Akshita. And we have seen that today, after Priyanka Chaturvedi, now it is Shashi Tharoor who has gone all out and said that he will be not hosting that important show on Sansad TV. At the same time, when we spoke to a lot of suspended MPs, they have said that they will not be tendering an apology to the Rajya Sabha chairperson. On the other hand, they will continue their protest near the Gandhi statue. As far as the other MPs of the opposition from both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are concerned, they are also saying that they will be joining them in this protest. And we are hearing that all the opposition leaders at the moment are meeting in the office of Rajya Sabha chair, the leader of opposition, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge's office in the parliament, and they will be once again strategizing as to what will be the strategy of the opposition in this session. Also, we are hearing that on the issue of Nagaland, in both the houses, cross-section MPs have given these notices that the issues of Nagaland incident, the killings which took place there, in which both the civilians and the soldiers have lost their lives, should be raised in both the houses, and a detailed explanation be sought from the Home Ministry as to what led to such a unprecedented, sad situation just panning out in Nagaland at the moment.
Right, let's cut across on that note to more breaking news coming in. Supriya, thank you for joining us.